Sir, or sir/ma'am, do not answer this phone call. We have good intelligence that it might be someone you don't want to talk to. Sir, don't answer the phone. Sir, do not answer the phone, sir! Sir, get your hand off that phone, sir! Damn, nobody listens to me anymore.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how your dad has gotten fat.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Yeah. You know.
आलू ले ले, टींडे ले ले, घिया ले ले, कद्दू ले ले, अदरक ले ले, तोरी ले ले, गाजर ले ले, मूली ले ले, शलगम ले ले, पालक ले ले, लहसुन ले ले, मेथी ले ले, गोभी ले ले, प्याज ले ले, चुकंदर ले ले, मूंगर ले ले, मटर ले ले, साग ले 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 ले.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thank you.
Manica no chica, ba 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 banana, yo plano fu.